Hey, it's Heather Boss, Market Development Economist with Cargill, working out of Davidson and Clevitt. Let's talk about tank mixing fungicide with a foliar nutrition and its impact on yield. Crops survived an extremely dry start, frost, and heat shock so far. Heat and wind can really stress out your plants. Combine this with humidity and it can really increase the risk of foliar diseases. A bit more effort will enable your crop to touch the finishing line with a good yield. Why we need fungicide? We have a valuable crop out there in field, making sure it has the protection against crop diseases. It's like an insurance policy. Yes, fungicide application have some cost, but under the right conditions, you can see as much as 30% bump in yield by protecting what's there. For example, stripe rust does not necessarily need a lot of moisture. Heavy dew can be enough to promote stripe rust. On average, stripe rust caused yield loss of 13% or on spring wheat of commercially grown varieties if fungicide had not been used. How fungicides work? It's a proactive activity where fungicide acts as a protective barrier and prevent infection from occurring. Best time of fungicide application. Apply too early and the effects of the fungicide could wear off before disease hits. Apply too late and the disease could be too well established for the fungicide to work at its best. A flat leaf application for leaf diseases is proven to be the most effective. Remember, we need to put efforts to protect the flat leaf, which is a vital solar panel of cereals. It contributes about 40 to 45% to the yield. Some of my favorite flat leaf products for cereals include Triva Pro, Seraphet, and Nexicor. Let's talk about foliar nutrition, the second ingredient of this successful tank mix. Foliar nutrition works like a sunscreen for plants. It minimizes the seen and unseen stress. In simple words, you can call them stress relievers. Crop yield is directly influenced by multiple factors, and mineral nutrition is the most important. These nutrients are the building blocks to achieve yield. Hey, if you are concerned about the dry conditions, consider applying Safe K tank mix with fungicide on your cereals at flat leaf timing. This fungicide timing is an amazing opportunity to control diseases, while potassium will improve plants' ability to thrive under drought stress. How, you may ask? When a plant is running low on potassium, it can't regulate its ability to keep in water through its stomata. In last year's field test, we found that addition of potash resulted in a 6 bushels increase in wheat. Remember, potassium is pulled up through the roots, and under dry conditions, the potassium is inaccessible to the plant. A foliar application directly to the leaves with a product like Safe K will solve the issue. Potassium will directly available to the plant to mitigate the drought-related stress, will provide a breathing space and energy to cope up in the challenging environment. A combination of Nexicor plus Safe K could be the winning combination to get your crop to the finishing line. For any support, please contact your local Cargill rep.